Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to send an email using the CC and BCC fields. As you've already looked up or defining your definitions, CC means to carbon copy. So this is when you want to send an email to one person, but you also want somebody else to see it who may not necessarily be directly involved, but you just want them to see the copy of the email. And in this case, both recipients will see each other's email address. Or you can use a BCC, which is a blind carbon copy, and in that case, you're sending an email directly to somebody, but you want somebody else to see it as well, but you don't want them to see their email addresses. So the BCC will hide that you're sending this to multiple people. The way you do this is you click on Compose after signing into your Gmail account. And you'll notice here you have the main to field, we put the main address, and then you have the CC and the BCC here. So for the purpose of this lesson, we're going to send it to your period email, so p6@sarita.net. And note that you always have to have an email in the main to field to be able to use the CC or BCC function. So we're going to click on CC, and we're going to put Senor Smith at sarita.net. And finally, we're going to use my school email, luke.smith@sarita.net. And if you do this right, I should receive 3 emails from you. And then in the subject, you're going to put the lesson number and the step that this belongs to. Now you do not have to put anything in the body unless you really want to. So we'll just put hi. And then all you have to do is click send. And that is how you send a message with using the CC and BCC fields. If you go here and click send mail, you should see the 3 addresses come up. And you can display here and see that you sent one to 2, one to CC, and one to BCC. Good job.